Mini fridges can be a godsend in a family picnic under the searing summer sun. They let you cool your favorite products while on the move. Here's the best products in the market. Is the list topper. It allows for easy switching from beverage cooler to food warmers. It can hold up to 6 12-ounce cans, and the warmer even comes with an AC and DC power adapter, making it easy to go from indoor 110 volts to a car by plugging the appliance into the car cigarette 12-volt adapter, and even to a 2A power bank with included USB cords for even more portability. The cooler and warmer have a beautiful matte finish on the outside. The lightweight and sturdy plastic design, and the magnetic self-lock latching door, and the carrying handle on the top makes transporting the appliance even more convenient. So hit the like button to show us that you like the video. Subscribe and press the bell icon to ensure and help us make more videos like this in the future.